Hello and welcome to this training where we are going to put together everything you've learned so far and publish your form-based ad. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and we're going to click on create. Now you might see this screen pop up, but you can just click on create new campaign. We're going to set it up as a traffic ad. So click on traffic, click continue. And we're going to name your campaign. Platform ads or whatever you're naming it. I personally like to put in the date, and you can go ahead and go down to the next level, which is the ad set level. So I'm going to go ahead and name it. I'm just going to name mine Typeform 1. And we want to make sure it's on a website. Even though it's not actually going to a website, the link that Typeform gives you or whatever brand of form creation you're using, it's technically a website, the link that they give you. So we're going to input our budget, whatever your budget is. I'm just going to put £6 for this example. Change the location, make sure it's living in, and change it from Indonesia. Put whichever countries you're targeting. I'm going to put UK and Ireland for this example. Scroll down a bit more. We're going to change the age. So whichever age range you're putting, I'm going to put 23 to 40, which is my target audience. All genders, I'm going to keep that the same. Detailed targeting, this is where you put in what people are interested in, your audience, your avatar. So it might be people that are into holidays. Scroll down and find that. Holidays. Vacations, it's changed it to family. Put in a couple of interests that are relevant to your target audience. We're going to keep this unticked, the reach people beyond your targeting selections. I'm going to change language to English all, so I know just people coming through are those that speak English. Now, usually we run form-based ads on stories, but you can also do it on feed. So I'm going to unselect everything and leave Instagram because that's where I like to run form-based ads. I'm not going to do it on feed though, but you can do it on feed. You can do it on story. If you do it on both, you need to make sure that you're changing the dimensions of your ad, and you'll be able to see that at the ad creative preview section. But for this example, I'm just going to do an Instagram story type form. So I'm going to unselect everything in feed and just run it on stories. I'm even going to take reels out. Okay. Then we move on to the ad creative. So this is your picture. So I'm going to write Typeform 1, Josh. I'm going to use one of Josh's ads. Make sure your Instagram page is connected. If it says connect account, you just need to click on connect account, log into your Instagram. And we're going to keep scrolling and add media. So this is where you add your ad. I've got some uploaded already. If you haven't, just click on upload and select the picture or video that you want to use. So I'm going to select this one. You can see what it's like on stories. If you've got feed selected as well, it will show you what it looks like and you can crop it. And I'm just going to leave this as well. Okay, so because I'm running mine on story, I don't need to put primary text in because they're not going to see the text. They're just seeing the image. But if you're running it on feed, you need to make sure you have some text with it, some copy. So you're telling people what it's about. And again, I don't need a headline if I'm running it on story. But if you're running it on feed, then you need to write your headline. You can change your button. You can use learn more or apply now. You can have a look, see which ones you like. I tend to go for learn more. And then this is where we put the website link in. So I'm going to show you where to get this link. Okay, we go back to Typeform and you want to click on share. So this is a Typeform. I'm going to click on share. Wait for it to load. And then this is the link that you want to copy. You can customize it and make it look a bit smarter, but they're not actually going to see this link because it's going to be behind the ad. So when they swipe up on the ad, is going to take them to this link. Okay, so just copy that link, go back to Ads Manager and paste it in here. And that's it. And then you would just need to click publish. I'm not going to publish this one because it's just an example. Hit publish. It will then go into review. You'll get an email once it has been approved. So make sure you've got your notifications turned on in Typeform. I did show you in another video when we set up the form together. Make sure you've got notifications on. So when you get a lead, they'll come straight through to your emails. Okay, so thank you for joining me and I'll see you soon.